Today we're going to go over the basic installation of a threat extinguisher case unit. When you receive the threat extinguisher case unit, you will receive two boxes. One box with the pepper spray in it and one box with the threat extinguisher case unit. When you open the threat extinguisher case unit, you will find the keys mounted to one of the tabs on top of the box. Remove the keys, then remove the threat extinguisher unit from the box. Install the correct key into the lock and remove the outer ring. Set that aside. Then at the bottom of the box you'll notice there's a tab. Pull on that tab. That will remove the plexiglass cover. Now you can move the hammer aside. Remove the lower shelf, set it aside. Now in the back of the box you will see there's 4 mounting holes. At this point you will need to determine how you're going to connect this unit to your existing alarm system. If it's being hardwired, you will need to drill an additional hole below the shelf to bring the hardwired wires in. If not, if you're using a wireless transmitter, on the back of the shelf you would mount your wireless transmitter with 2-sided tape. Take the 2 tagged wires and attach them to your wireless transmitter, or these 2 tagged wires would attach to your existing alarm hardwired that you had installed. Now that the box is mounted to the wall, we have one back here we're going to switch to. Before installing the lower shelf, verify that the 9-volt battery is in place. Once you have done that, you get the lower shelf, you can install that. Connect the 2-wire pin connector. And at this point you want to verify that the dry contact switch pin is pointing forward. Now put the shelf in place and verify that the threat extinguisher external alarm is working. It's working. Now we can go ahead and install the can of pepper spray. Take the can of pepper spray, lean it forward, set it in the cup below the dry contact switch, roll up into place. Make sure the tag is pointing forward. Grab your plexiglass cover, remove the film, install the plexiglass cover with the top right hand corner behind the hammer pin, mount pin. Install the external ring, lock into place, and then give the cover a little pull just to make sure it's locked in place. Now you would go ahead and turn the threat extinguisher external alarm on or to the desired location that the customer asked for. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 844-658-5868.